Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. We will start with your career. You've got the Master card and the Ten of Suns. Now, these cards tell me that you have a very giving and kind energy. You have always done your best for the people, but unfortunately, there are a group of people who are plotting against you. In your career, whether you have your job, whether you have your own business, I do see that there are multiple people, not one person, multiple people who are plotting against you, maybe trying to snatch your position, maybe trying to snatch your client or your business, in some way trying to let you down, put you down in some way. There will be a lot of people who will do some sort of cruelty and injustice to you, put a false blame on you, defame you. They will try to spoil your name so that they can extract something out of it. Everybody can have their own selfish reasons. It's not necessary that those 10 people are together. It can be that those two people are together, one person is separately, but all of them are plotting against you in some way or the other in their own way. So please make sure that this week you are taking all the precautions to protect yourself from such people. You're not trusting your colleagues, bosses, competitors, customers easily, because I do see that something is at the play which may or may not be visible to you. So be very, very careful of these people because something is happening behind the scenes, and this week can be challenging for you. You will have to deal with a lot of mess this week. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the card of Abyss, One of Spades, and the Lovers. Poor Leos, I'm actually sympathizing with you after reading these cards. You're a wise person. You always make sure that you are thinking before speaking and making the right choices. Still, you somehow end up in a situation where it's not really in your control. I do see that there is a third party situation involved, especially if you are in a relationship situationship or you're married. Your partner is talking to multiple peoples or could be sleeping around. Some of you somehow know it, because with that intuitive card, wise card of Abyss, I can tell that somehow your intuition has been nudging this for weeks now, right? Or maybe months. And you have been sleeping on it. You have been avoiding this. Or maybe you are thinking that, that person is going to just end it and come back to me in some way. But that hasn't really happened as yet, has it? Right? Now, this is a card of inaction, that no matter how wise or intuitive you are, you're still not taking any action towards it. Why are you still not confronting it to your partner? Why are you still not asking for a breakup or a divorce? Why are you still, carrying that kind of hurt in you, knowing that your partner is sleeping around with other person? If you haven't already confronted this, this is a time for you to take action. The cards are asking you, nudging you to please make a choice this week, whether you really want this relationship to go forward, whether you want to forgive this person, whether you want to take them back, or whether you want to move on. This is a time for decision. You will be presented with multiple choices to stay or to move on, and you will have to make a choice sooner or later. So this week is the one. If you're single, I do see that you could have multiple options in your life, where maybe you are speaking to a lot of people or multiple people through dating apps, matrimonial apps, meeting a lot of people, or your partner can have multiple options as well. This is the time where you will also have to finalize one partner. You will be finalizing or somebody that, okay, I like this person, I would like to continue being in a relationship, or I want to marry this person this week. So there is a sort of choice that you're going to make. There is a choice that will be presented to you, a direction, like you will be on cross points on which one to choose. That kind of situation you can face. So yes, this is an important week for you, because whether no matter what your situation is, this is a time for decision and action. So please make sure that you're making the right choice. No impulsive decision. So think before making a choice, which you will be. In your career also, this is going to be a heavy week, because you have to deal with a lot of stuff. I know, Leos, there's a lot going on in your life right now. Maybe both of your life situations are challenging right now, or one of them. So do comment and let me know which one actually resonates with you. This was your last week's reading, and if you guys really resonated with this reading, you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, this was a general reading, so all your questions must not have been answered. If you have any specific question on your mind you want to be answered, I take personal readings as well. You can book a personal reading with me. I have exclusive love readings with me, exclusive no contact reading with me. I have different packages available with me where multiple questions will be answered plus a free remedy will be given. There's a singles package, there's a package for people focused on career, and there's a love package as well, no matter if you're in a situationship, relationship or married. And yes, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. I make give rituals as well. So if you want to do a powerful ritual, if you're feeling stuck in your life, you can book a ritual for yourself. And if you want a therapy session, counseling session where you want a one-on-one, unbiased, non-judgment, judgment-free reading, and nobody will be making fun of you, nobody will be judging you, nobody will be revealing your secrets. It will be just one-on-one counseling session with me. If you want to book that, there's a free remedy in the counseling sessions as well. I do have audio video sessions. I do have half an hour, 1 hour sessions with me only on Instagram or Google Meet or Zoom. And if you want to book any kind of reading out of all these services that I mentioned, you can either email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. All these things are mentioned in my description box and my bio for correct spellings if you haven't got it already. So go ahead, check it out. And guys, please follow me on Instagram, because here I'll only be meeting you weekly. There on a daily basis, I post all the services, what are the prices. So you'll get to know the different prices. There are different range of services. Cheapest will be 170 rupees and then it will go in thousands. So you can choose according to your own budget, because every service has multiple prices available. So there's no service that you cannot avail because of price issue, right? All are budgeted, and of course you can choose from any range. So go ahead, check out the prices. And yes, thank you so much for watching my channel. This was your last week's reading. Take care of yourself and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.